Here we are onto the keyless works. I have a little bit of grease on these wheels in the groove, and we're going to drop that in so the hacking lever mates with that groove as well. There's a winding crown or winding gear. I don't know what it's called. Alright, I dropped the stem. Not a big deal. It's a fairly large part. It's not going to go far. Alrighty. Focus. There's our winding stem in place, and we can test the movement of that gear, that the hacking movement works. It does stop the balance, so that's a good sign. Our next part, don't know what it's called, but I do have a bit of grease on pivot points and friction points. Make sure that's engaged in that groove as well. Okay, and that just lays in there. At least it should. I'm not liking that. Let's take this out. Come on. Don't know why I'm not liking that, but I'm not. No, it's got to go underneath. Doesn't it? Maybe this is upside down. It can't be. Must be getting late. I think that looks right. I think. Okay. I'm holding on to that with my finger. If I can put the screw in. It's not super tight, and then we have a spring here that gets snapped in. Okay, I think that's right. I want to put a little grease on some of those pivots. A little heavier grease. It won't migrate. And some down here. Come on. Need a little more. Alright, let's see how that works. Okay, there's the 3 positions. There's the winding position. Date setting. And packing. And time setting. Okay, so we're gonna, let's see, can we continue here 6 minutes in? I think so. So next we have the gear that's not cooperating. This is part of the winding, or the time setting and quick date setting. There's one position, and there's the other. So let's leave it there. And we're going to put a little we're going to do a smear of grease on this pivot, and right along here the cannon pinion is going to sit on top of this post, and we put a smear on that as well. Minute wheel, actually the minute wheel's not going to go on yet. I think we need a little grease on the cannon pinion, or oil. There you go. Just a smear on that. Our minute wheel will go next. Do I have the wrong gear? No. Is that our minute wheel or not? Doesn't appear to fit. That's because I picked up the wrong one. Okay. Let's give that a test. There we go. Okay. Something popped out. Alright, something is wacky here. We're coming up on 10 minutes. We're going to stop this now and continue later.